to also show you how you can use Google to create a customized search engine. And this is awesome for the science fair because it allows us to have a really small group of information for the kids to be able to search for information for their projects. You could make different search engines for every topic. One thing would be for us to collaborate and have groups of us make some customized search engines for different categories so that the kids don't have such overwhelming, vast, resources. Plus, it would eliminate things like Wikipedia if we're deciding what they're going to be searching for now. So, in order to do that, when you open up a new tab and your Google search comes up, you're simply going to type in custom search engine, and you'll see that it comes right up. It's actually google.com/CSE. You can actually, it'll show every one that you've done in the past and will allow you to add a new one. So I'm just going to click add a search engine, and it's just going to ask me what sites I want to add to it. So let's just say that I want to put discovery.com, and I wanted to put nationalgeographic.com. When you're done with that and you have all the web pages that you want in there, you're just going to go down to the bottom. You can choose the language that you want it to be in, which is also really cool. So if you have some students that are doing searches in languages other than English, you can actually choose it and the documents will come up in their primary language, which is awesome. But for now, I'll leave it in English. I can just rename it whatever I want. I can go under more advanced options, but at this point I'm just going to hit create, and it is going to give me a link. It's going to ask me if I want to view it on the web with a public URL. I could add it to my Google site and get a code, and kids can click on it right there, or I can go back and modify it. So I'm going to click, for my purposes, public URL. And again, this URL is long, so this is when I'm going to go back and highlight it and use that shortened goo.gl and also maybe a QR code. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to open another tab and go back to my goo.gl. And like I showed you earlier, we're simply going to paste it in. It's going to give us a shortened URL. And now I'm going to be able to share this out with my students and make it super easy for me to have them be able to access it. So I am totally good to go. And when they go to type in something, they'll type in something under here, and it's only going to come from the web pages that I gave them. So if they type in wolves, it's going to be coming from discovery.com or National Geographic only. So it's pretty nice. I found great success with it this year. So anyway, I hope that helps you, and I hope you have a great night.